Hi there. I'm Dr. Loraine Chan. I combine Western medicine with acupuncture and Chinese healing wisdom to help you break free from pain. My gentle treatments work with your body, not against it. They restore balance and ease discomfort, so you feel better from the inside out. I'm here to help. But before you book your first appointment, let me help you understand how acupuncture actually works. Today, I want to share some insights into how acupuncture works and how it can be a transformative journey towards healing. As both a medical doctor and an acupuncture practitioner, I often explain to my patients that our bodies are remarkable energy systems. In traditional Chinese medicine, this vital energy, called qi, flows constantly through invisible pathways we call meridians. Imagine these meridians as your body's motorway network, connecting every part of you from head to toe. Just as your blood vessels transport oxygen and nutrients, these energy channels carry healing qi to your organs and tissues. When you're feeling unwell, it often means there's a traffic jam or blockage somewhere in this energy network. That nagging back pain, those persistent headaches, they're typically signs that energy isn't flowing properly. By doing so, acupuncture promotes natural healing, enhancing both your physical and emotional well-being. The process is gentle and precise, designed to awaken your body's innate healing capabilities. This helps clear blockages and restores proper energy flow throughout your body. Each needle acts like a key, unlocking the pathways to allow energy to circulate freely. Patients often describe a profound sense of relaxation and relief, even after the first session. Acupuncture is not just about addressing symptoms, it's about treating the root cause of imbalance. By harmonizing the flow of qi, it encourages your body to regain its natural equilibrium. So whether you're dealing with chronic pain, stress, or other health challenges, acupuncture offers a path towards renewal and vitality. Thank you for joining me today. If you're curious about how acupuncture might help you, I invite you to explore this ancient healing art. Together, we can embark on a journey towards health and harmony. Contact me, Dr. Loraine Chan, to book your first acupuncture session today. Visit me at Simata Medical Wellness and Spa, number 54 Street 306, between Street 63 and Manavon, BKK1, Phnom Penh, Cambodia. Office booking 023-726-267. Dr. Chan's Telegram +855 69 666 172. Dr. Loraine D. Chan, Doctor of Acupuncture, DAC. For more information, visit my website at https://lorainechan.card.co. Acupuncture that works, backed by medical science, guided by ancient wisdom. Book your appointment now and start feeling better today. Dr. Chan.